you'll need a subwoofer and a tone simulator. Oh my God. So this is what it should look like after you tape it. So the hose goes here, then the water goes here, up here, then it falls down. Your tube should be touching the speaker.
All right. You ready?
Mm-hmm. Can I do it? Yes?
Try 25 hertz.
25? Okay.
Try 24. So 24 freezes it.
What? What did you say? Is that 24? I'll do 25 now.
I said do 24.
24?
Yeah. Do 23. How about do 23 and do a second one that's 25? Same time. How about 23 and 24?